Hi, Simon here. Today in this video we're going to draw this bracket, which I've termed bracket 1 in the Moodle page, which you can download the technical drawing. So we're going to draw this bracket today, and I'm just going to tell you how I'm going to approach it, because there's a couple of ways we can do it, but generally the right way is the easiest way. Okay, so this is the bracket here. It's fairly straightforward. Dominantly all the majority of the details can be done if we do a side sketch. Do this face here, project it back, so it would just be a constant extrusion, and then we'll add these bolt holes in the corners afterwards. Okay, so I'm just going to bring up Solidworks and get into it. I've got a printout of this drawing in front of me, so I'm just going to be referring to my drawing, printout, and we'll go from there. Okay, so open Solidworks, start a new document. Okay, so I am going to draw everything on the front face. So just left click on it, then left click on normal to. Okay, go to the sketch tab. Okay, it's really quite symmetrical, there's nothing much to it. Okay, so I'm just going to go okay. So I'm just giving a little bit of thought. Okay, starting the line. Starting from the origin, going out to the left. Going up. Back. Going. Oh. Now I'm kind of drag the mouse up twice and then around. So to get the curve, you just drag out, back, out and around. So let's do that again. Out, back, out and around. Come on. And it should pick up that I want to go around the circle. Okay. Doesn't want to play. Anyway, we can also get this half circle by using the tool here, center point arc, and the one we all want is center point arc. So I'm just going to click on this line here and delete it. So we go center point arc. So I'll go to the origin to project up my little line. So I'm going to click first in the center, go to the left hand side, click on that, drag it right around to the right, and drop it there. Okay. And then I hit the escape key to get out of that. Back to the straight line tool. Down, out, down, back. Okay. So that's our basic shape with a hole in the center. Okay. Circle tool. Just want to chuck the center, so circle on the center line, but I don't want it to on the exact center of the other one, just because I don't really want it to do some weird shit. Just a minute. Okay. So now I'm going to start chucking some dimensions on it. So smart dimension. So this side to this side. Drag it down. It's 250. Now from here, 20. Dated. Now I will go. Now this is where it gets interesting. Between here and here, it's 80 mm high. Okay. It is. Click on it, drag it out. 60 mm in diameter. Okay, now this one here, click on it and drag it out. And this is 50 mm. Okay. Yeah, it's all kind of weird shape. So what I'm going to do is click on the center of this, which is the center of my arc. Click on my origin and say that they are vertical to each other. Excellent, excellent. Okay. So what I've done there is just drag and drop the centre of the arc onto the centre of my circle. Okay, that's good, that's good. Okay, dragging up, just going to mention this. So 125. Okay. Okay, the thickness of the base, with the width. Central, obviously. The height, okay. So what I'm going to do is click on the one that's dimensioned, click on this one over here. This is holding the left button, tell them that they're collinear, which means they're in line with each other. Click OK. Okay, now our sketch is fully defined. So we go Exit Sketch, go to Features, Extrude Boss Base, click here on Sketch, okay. Now the depth we want to extrude it is 200mm. Into that. Okay, now one little thing we need to do is go down to Sketch Contours and make sure we select the contour for the centre as well. So what it's done is it's highlighted the outside line, it's highlighted the circle, and then as it's protruded it, it's given us pretty much the profile exactly as we wanted it. So I'm just going to go OK. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is just save it at this point. So go File, Save As, bracket. This was basic bracket. Headphone lead goes over the keyboard, makes it hard to type. Yeah, save that. Okay, now this is all pretty hunky-dory. So what I'm going to do is just choose this top face. I'm now going to put the bolt holes on the corners, and I'm going to normal to. Okay, now I'm just going to right click on it and go Sketch. Really doesn't matter what side I sketch on it. Okay, so I'm just going to poke some holes in the corners, they're 140mm apart. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go just rough as guts. Drop, 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 drop. So all I've done is place full circles. Okay, now I'm going to escape out of that. Click on the first one, hold down Control, click on the second one, click at the third one, and the fourth one. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say they're all equal. Okay, so let's just make them all the same diameter. So I'm going to Smart Dimension, click on the first one, drag it off, and the hole size is 20mm. Okay, so they've all just adjusted. Now what I'm going to do is set them all in from the edges. So 30 down from the back edge. The edge, got the centre, drag to the side. Okay. Now between the centre of this one and the centre of that one is 140. So this one going off the side. Okay. Now these are all 37.5 from the edge. So I go click on the first one, go to the edge that I'm measuring from, and go up the top. 37.5. Okay. This one here. This edge here. 37.5. Okay, and the bottom's moved over too because they were in line with each other. If they didn't automatically move, you can either dimension them, or you can click on the center point, Control center point of the top one, and choose vertical, so that means just they're in line with each other. Okay, vertically, obviously. Okay, save. That looks pretty happy. Okay, it's not fully defined yet, so I'm just going to do that, vertical. Okay. Same with this one, vertical. Excellent. If we didn't want to have the dimension on the side too, what we could do is do this one, and then say that pair them together and say that they're horizontal to each other. Okay, but that's all happy now, all fully defined. So we're going to go exit sketch. We're going to use the extrude cut function. It has selected our sketch from just before. I'll just back out and show you what's happened. So because we've got the sketch highlighted, extrude cut, it's automatically going to select all the points. Line's fine. That looks pretty hunky-dory. Okay, so we go OK. There we go. Just rotate it so isometric. Oh, look at that. It's just like our drawing. Okay, and I'm just going to go save. Okay. And that is the end of bracket 1. Thanks for watching. Back soon for bracket 2.